I'm going to show you how to log in or sign in to OpenAI's Codex. So first you want to go to openai.com/codex and then hover over the login button and choose Codex. Now this is the first way to log in. Basically you'll need to log into your account and then you'll be able to link and choose a repo or download the app. The second way to sign in is to use the Codex CLI or the command line tool. You can basically open up PowerShell or the Codex terminal and run the following command, which is codex space login, and press enter. This should basically open up a authentication page where you will need to sign in with your OpenAI account. Once you're done, you can close this and you'll be signed into the Codex, and then you'll be able to run Codex commands. And if the Codex command is not recognized by your terminal or PowerShell, you'll first need to install node or npm and run the following command: npm space install space -g space at openai/codex. And once you've installed this, you will be able to run Codex commands and use other Codex command line tool. Now, the third way to sign in is via the IDE extension. So if you're using VS Code, for example, and you have the Codex extension installed, you want to open up the Codex page or the Codex tab from the right side. You can click on the Codex logo or OpenAI's logo here, and you will be able to sign into your account if you're not already signed in. Otherwise, you can click on the settings icon and just log out and then re-log in again to a different account if you want to. And it's pretty much the same if you're using the desktop app for Codex. You can simply click on the settings here and log out and then log into a different account. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.